Hey folks, what is going on? Happy New Year to all my viewers and subscribers. Welcome to all the new subscribers. Thanks a lot for tuning in my channel, guys. I appreciate you guys subscribing. Here I am in minus 25 gain. I got my Stampede VXL 2-wheel drive running on Badlands, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thanks a lot for tuning in, RC Overdose, guys, and I hope you had a fantastic New Year's Eve. And I hope you guys have an amazing year. Looking forward to 2018. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks a lot for being a part of RC Overdose. Cheers. Unfortunate event. The Proline Badland has stripped completely. Sucks.